We established CyCognito because, coming from the offensive security side of the house, it was clear to us that attackers pursue the path of least resistance, which simply leads them to organizations' security weak spots. Hi, I'm Gurzeev, CEO and co-founder of CyCognito. Current solutions cannot solve this problem because there is asymmetry between how they work and how attackers operate. While attackers look for the path of least resistance and these security weak spots, the legacy approach is tell us what your IP ranges are and we'll monitor them, which really represent 1% of the attack surface. These approaches have nothing to do with the attacker's approach, which creates this huge opportunity for attackers. We believe that by automating the reconnaissance process of sophisticated attackers continuously, we can create massive value for tens of thousands of companies. We invested millions of dollars in building an infrastructure and a platform that automates what attackers can do over weeks and months and help organizations focus on what matters, which is what attackers see and what attackers are targeting. There are three main values in using CyCognito's platform. You get to finally own your exposed IT ecosystem. You can now efficiently eliminate the path of least resistance. And thirdly, you can now monitor and track the actual improvement in your security posture from an attacker's point of view. When an NVIDIA or an Intel have their source code exposed, or when these financial institutions have their networks or mainframe exposed, it's obvious that these are indeed the paths of least resistance to that organization and represents 90% of the cybersecurity risk of that organization. These also render the multi-million dollars investment in cybersecurity quite meaningless, as attackers can still easily compromise or get access to critical networks and data.